Here with today's story, Bear Snores On. If you would like to take the AR quiz, the number is 60893, and it is a 2.2 reading level. Let's see, Bear Snores On. You guys know what it's called when a bear just goes in his cave and stays there? It's hibernate. Oops, wrong way. In a cave, in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse, pitter pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Poor little mouse. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare pops in. Do you know hare is another word for rabbit? "Ho, mouse," says hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew some black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." Well, that's nice that the badger wants to share. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor when a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. That bear has a lot of friends in there and he doesn't even know it. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear Uh-oh. What does pepper make you do? Like salt and pepper? What's pepper? Makes the bear Ra-choo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. They're scared. Ah, what's he gonna do to us? And the bear wakes up. Bear growls and snarls. Bear roars and rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Who's in my den? You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Oh, that's a nice friendly mouse. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sights with delight, and then he spins tall tales through the blistery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. They finally got tired. They knocked out. The end. Hope you liked today's story. Bear snores on. Listen to it a couple of times. Take a quiz. Do great. And I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's story. Bye, guys.